On those nights when you're craving takeout, promise me you will make this orange chicken, because let me tell you, whether you do it in your oven or air fryer, it's absolutely delicious. A little bit better for you than the deep fried, and just like flavor and then some. So start with your chicken pieces in pretty large chunks because you want to keep them nice and tender as they cook, and dredge them. You're gonna put them in flour first, then some beaten egg, and then a mixture of flour, panko breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Toss them, coat them really well, and transfer them to your air fryer basket. Then spray them really well with some vegetable oil. You're gonna air fry these at 425 degrees for about 10 minutes, flipping over for the last 2 minutes. If your air fryer only goes to 400, just increase the time to 12 to 15 minutes. Then your sauce is a simple throw together. You're gonna put some marmalade, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, hoisin sauce, some chili flake, and some grated fresh ginger together in a pan. Simmer that for 10 minutes and then it's ready to go. You can do that while the chicken's cooking. Then toss it all together and plate it on some rice. It's just that easy, but I'm telling you, the payoff is big. So much, so good. You've got to do it.